Have you encountered obstacles from your past that hinder the progress in your life? Or do you experience unexplained aches and pains or suffer from low libido? If so, I have a solution for you. When we experience anger or nervousness or fear, we tend to unconsciously clench or shake our hands. Why do we do that? We understand that thread-like nerves communicate back and forth between the brain and the spinal cord. Among numerous nerves in our hands, radial nerve plays a significant role in the peripheral nervous system. The role of this nerve is to transmit signals from the brain to the arms and fingers that control the elbows, hands and fingers, as well as the sensory functions such as the touch, pain and the temperature. When you have persistent feeling of guilt, fear or anger, it damages our nerves and that leads to a lot of bodily aches and pains. In South and East Asian medicine, this phenomena is referred to as the energy block. It is very crucial to elevate any feelings of guilt, fear or doubt, as they not only impede your progress in life but also manifest a lot of physical pain. So today we will explore the Kapit mudra. It is also known as the elephant apple mudra. So sit in a very comfortable position, form a fist with both hands, not out of anger but to release the energy. So create the mudra by inserting the thumb in the center of the index and the middle finger like so, and closing the remaining fingers like this. Make a fist. Now place the left hand against your heart and the right against your pelvic bone. Now breathe normally, focusing and relaxing your chest, throat and belly. Practicing this mudra for 5 to 15 minutes daily will not only elevate the feelings of your guilt, anger and fear, but they will transform them into your determination and your confidence. On a spiritual level, it will enhance the feeling of devotion and kindness towards others. As these blockages will release from your body, you will experience a physical lightness. Your body will feel light. You will have less urge to take the painkillers because the pains will start healing. Aim to practice at least for 43 days before deciding to stop, because that's the time it takes your brain to adapt. And on this note, I take your leave. Namaste.